Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic FreeCAD draft tools, how to use the B-Spline command. So you can go to the 2D draft and to use the B-Spline tools, you can click these icons, B-Spline, or you can type BS. You type B and the next S to use the B-Spline tools. You can click to create a B-Spline like this. So if you want to tracking, the best way you use this B-Spline tools. As example, I will import for the image like this image, and you can change for transparency into 70. For selectable, I will set into false. The next, use the B-Spline tools. You can type BS to active the command. So I will create like from this point, click. Now you can tracking these objects easily for the cube objects by using the B-Spline tools. Okay, like this. Okay. Very easy to tracking. If you want to undo, you can click these buttons, or you can use the slash to undo the actions, and you can create again. And if you want to close, you can click this close button. Now we create against the B-Spline object. You can type BS to active, and then you can start again tracking the image by using the B-Spline tools. Okay, that's it for basic FreeCAD tutorials, how to use the B-Spline command. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.